I'll show you how to deposit money to Stake from Binance. First, open Stake and click on your wallet at the top of the screen. Next, select Crypto and click Deposit. Choose USDT as your cryptocurrency. For the network, I recommend selecting BNB Smart Chain BEP20, since it usually has lower fees. Now, copy the deposit address provided by Stake. Open your Binance account and tap your profile icon. Then select Withdraw. Choose USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Paste the deposit address you copied from Stake. Make sure the network is set to BNB Smart Chain BEP20 and enter the amount you want to send. Double check all the details, then click Withdraw and confirm the transaction. After a few minutes, the funds should arrive in your Stake account.